can turn my head. Can you? Nice.
It's like Turning
his head. Let's see it again. I'm a giraffe and I can bend my neck. Good. I'm a monkey and I can wave my arms. I'm a buffalo and I can shrug my shoulders. Nice. I'm a seal and I can clap my hands. I'm a gorilla and I can thump my chest. This is a good gorilla face. Can I see that again? I'm a cat and I can arch my back. I'm a crocodile and I can wiggle my hips. I like that. I'm a camel and I can bend my knees. Take a knee. Good job. I'm a donkey and I can kick my legs. Whoa, is that how the donkey does it?
I'll do it again.
Do it again.
I'll do it again.
Okay, do it. Oh, that's interesting. Well, how about the elephant? An elephant can stomp my foot. Can you stomp your foot?
This one?
Yep. How about the other one? Nice. And I'm an Everett. And I can wiggle my toes. Good wiggling.
This one?
And can you give Mom a hug? Oh.